Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change manage buttons on your headphones Beats Studio Buds Plus into application. You have to start by open Beats application. Now scroll down until you can see a noise control and volume. Then press on it. Now if I click on the left one, I can enable voice assistant or I can change noise control. I can click on off, and now if I will be pressing on the left one, I can turn on noise cancellation or transparency mode or off all modes. But I wanna manage my Google Assistant, so I click on Voice Assistant. Now, if we click to the right one, we have the same one, so I just left noise control. Now we will return and click on call controls and for end call. Now, right now, if I press once on my earbud, I can end the call, but I wanted to choose it to press 2 times. So I click press twice, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!